This is how you make a perfect cup of coffee using the Sipologie Vintage French press. Start off with adding 3 to 4 spoons of coffee grinds using the spoon that you get with the French press, followed by adding hot water of around 95 degrees Celsius. Make sure you add a little bit, just to wet the coffee grinds, so you can let the coffee bloom for 45 seconds. This helps release gases from the coffee and make it less bitter. Once the blooming procedure is done, fill up the French press with the remaining hot water and let the coffee brew for 3 to 4 minutes. Use the plunger to simply press it down so the coffee residue can be pushed down at the bottom. Turn your French press's grill towards the spout and simply pour it down into your choice of cup. And there you have it, nice and easy.